Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those A winners, go getters, trend setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called 180 Life Sciences. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So 180 Life Sciences, they're really looking to develop treatments to solve some inflammation issues. Clinical biotechnology company located in Palo Alto, California. So let's look at the leadership team. Professor Sir Mark Feldman, co-founder, executive chairman, and Professor Lawrence Steinman, co-founder, executive co-chairman. Listen to a bunch of these interviews. Definitely outstanding leadership team. You know, I'm a big fan of MD, PhDs, Dr. Jim Woody. Is the CEO. So one of the reasons I got into this company, I like the opportunity that they're looking for. They're going after diseases that really have no, unmet therapy, no really good standard of care, and they're looking at molecules that already been safe and effective in other indications, anti-tumor necrosis factors. And they're focusing on fibrosis. They also have a focus on SCAs. The anti-tumor necrosis factors, if you're familiar with them, sertolizumab, adalimumab, infliximab, and etanercept, they're looking to repurpose galulimumab, which is one of those anti-tumor necrosis factor, and really treat one of these awful diseases, basically fibrosis of the hand, early stage fibrosis of the hand. And I don't know of any other company as well as a pharmaceutical company that's working on this. So I'm really hoping it can be successful. They're in clinical stage trials. And basically that's, one of those incurable diseases that really is progressive. So I'm excited about that. The fact that anti-tumor necrosis factor adalimumab, it's been approved. It's under the brand name Humira. It's used for other autoimmune conditions. So if they can prove that it's safe and effective, and the phase 2 trial that I read that they reported on, really showed that it hopefully does prevent these disease progression and functional improvement. Now they still got to do the phase 3 trial, still got to get approval for that, and it'll be a bigger trial, but I'm really excited about the results so far. That's one of the reasons I really like this company. So let's look at the pipeline. What else do they have going on here? So this is that hand fibrosis phase 2 trial where they're repurposing galulimumab, which is the anti-tumor necrosis factor. They have other indications as well, frozen shoulder. They're looking at NASH preclinical trials, which is another, basically non-alcoholic problems with your liver, and that's in preclinical trials. The other ones are these SCAs that are pretty exciting, synthetic CBD analogs. Okay, that's the SCAs, and it's led by the same professor who discovered the THC, the tetrahydro cannabidiol, which is the psychoactive component of cannabis. And so, that's pretty exciting too, because chronic back pain, early arthritis, not a lot of great treatment options here. Now, these are in preclinical trials. Okay, the only ones they got in actual clinical trials is the frozen shoulder, the hand fibrosis, POCD. So hopefully these get started soon. They do say starting 2023, first quarter. It might have got pushed back. I'll continue to monitor that. So let's look at the stock price. So stock symbol ATNF. ATNF, 180 Life Sciences. At the time of this video is trading at 47 cents. I do think there's still a lot of opportunity here. I like these companies that have big growth opportunity. There is risk. There is a lot of risk, but big growth opportunity here. I like the fact that they have that non-psychoactive, formula, hopefully, that's improved efficacy and bioavailability with their SCAs for arthritis, the repurposing for hand fibrosis of galulimumab, the anti-TNF inhibitor. So I think there's a lot of opportunity with this company. I think a lot of people aren't talking about them, and there is risk, but I think there's a big potential here. Good pipeline. Now, that's all the time I have for this video, but if you did enjoy this video and content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe. It helps my channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.